Become a magnet, the unstoppable habits that attract success. Listen closely. Success doesn't just happen. It's not a random accident, a lottery ticket you stumble upon. No. Success is a force of nature, and like any powerful force, it is attracted. It is drawn to a specific frequency, a certain kind of energy, a particular type of person. And today we're going to talk about how you can become that person, how you can tune your frequency so perfectly that success rushes toward you, not out of luck, but out of law. Some of you are thinking, but I'm not successful yet. How can I attract what I don't have? Let me tell you a secret that will change everything. Success isn't about what you have, it's about who you become. It's the person you forge in the fire of your efforts, the character you build on the path to your goals. Success leaves clues. Look at any great achiever and you'll see a pattern, a blueprint of habits, mindsets, and attitudes. And the most beautiful part? This blueprint is available to you right now. So, let's begin the transformation. First, the unshakable foundation, radical responsibility. The first non-negotiable step to becoming a success magnet is to take 100% ownership of your life. I know it's daunting. It's easier to blame the economy, your boss, your background, your luck. But easy is the language of mediocrity. When you take full responsibility, you seize the controls of your life. You declare to the universe, my life is my creation. My success, my failure, it all rests on me. This isn't a burden, it's the ultimate liberation. You stop being a passenger and become the pilot. I once spoke to a young man drowning in complaints about his dead-end job. He felt trapped. I asked him, "What are you doing about it?" The silence was deafening. He had never considered that he held the key to his own cage. Successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. They don't say, "I can't." They ask, "How can I?" Second, the compass. Crystal clear goals. You cannot attract what you cannot define. If you don't know what port you're sailing to, no wind is the right wind. You must get ruthlessly clear about what success actually looks like for you. Not your parents' dream, not society's checklist, but the deep, burning desire of your own soul. I met a woman once who had it all. The salary, the car, the house, and she was miserable. When she finally whispered her truth, it was a dream of a small, cozy bookstore. The moment she embraced her goal, her entire energy shifted. She came alive. That's the power of pursuing a destination that you chose. But a dream in your head is a fantasy. A dream on paper is a plan. Write it down. There is magic in ink. You are sending a command to your subconscious. This is real. Make it happen. Read your goals morning and night. Let them be the first thing you see and the last thought you hold. Third, the engine. Relentless action and discipline. Here is where most dreams go to die, in the gap between knowing and doing. A goal without action is merely a wish, and wishes don't build empires. Discipline does. Discipline is the bridge between the dream and the reality. It's the force that drags you out of a warm bed at 5 a.m. to work on your vision. It's the voice that says, invest, when everything in you screams, spend. Forget instant gratification. There are no elevators to success. You have to take the stairs every single day. Think of it like this. Every action you take is a brick. One brick seems insignificant, but lay one brick with purpose every single day. Soon you have a wall, then a house, then a castle. Success is not a lightning strike. It's the slow, steady burn of a forge, shaping you into something stronger, sharper, and unbreakable. Fourth, the greenhouse. A mindset of possibility. Your mind is a garden. You are the gardener. Will you plant weeds of doubt, fear, and negativity? Or will you cultivate seeds of confidence, faith, and relentless positivity? You must guard your mind like a fortress. The books you read, the media you consume, the people you surround yourself with, they are all either fertilizing your growth or poisoning your soil. I always say, show me your friends and your bookshelf, and I'll show you your future. successful people are voracious learners. They understand that while formal education makes you a living, self-education makes you a fortune. Read for at least 30 minutes a day. Devour books on success, on psychology, on biography. But don't just consume, apply. Knowledge is potential power. Applied knowledge is world-changing power. And your attitude? It determines your altitude. Two salesmen go to a remote region. One writes, "Disaster. No one wears shoes." The other writes, "Unbelievable opportunity. They all need shoes." The situation is identical. The perspective is everything. Choose to see the opportunity in every obstacle. Fifth, the inner circle, your tribe. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Let that sink in. Look at your inner circle. Do they inspire you, challenge you, lift you higher, or do they drain your energy and mock your ambitions? Your network truly determines your net worth. Seek out mentors, those who have walked the path you're on. Find your tribe, the hungry, the driven, the believers. Join masterminds, attend conferences, and be brave enough to outgrow environments that no longer serve the person you are becoming. Sixth, the fuel, unbreakable persistence. Persistence is the final critical ingredient. It is the quality that turns a stumbling block into a stepping stone. Colonel Sanders was rejected 1,009 times before he got his first yes for KFC. He was 65 years old. What if he had quit at 100 or 500 or 1,000? Persistence is not doing the same thing over and over. It's having the same unwavering commitment to your goal while having the flexibility to change your strategy 1,000 times. You will get tired. You will get knocked down. The key is not to avoid the fall. It's to develop the reflex to get up every single time and say, "What did that teach me? What's next?" Your moment is now. This is your call to arms. Success is not chasing you. It's waiting for you to step into the version of yourself that commands it. It's in the discipline of your mornings, the clarity of your goals, the positivity of your mind, the strength of your relationships, and the iron will of your persistence. Become the person that success cannot ignore. You have a fire within you. It's time to fan it into an inferno. Start today, lay your first brick, make that decision, read that book, have that conversation. The world isn't waiting for your luck. It's waiting for your greatness. Now go out there and become a magnet. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.